for dull hair and weak looking standards? Then today I'm going to show you how to make a magical nourishing homemade hair oil. Don't skip, you'll regret it. So first I'm taking a fresh capsicum and chopping it into small pieces. Capsicum is rich in antioxidants and is often included in DIY hair care recipes to help support healthy looking hair and scalp care. Hello girls, comment your country and today's weather. I love reading your comments and seeing where our Glow family is growing around the world. Now I'm transferring the chopped capsicum to a clean glass bowl and setting it aside. Next, I'm taking 2 bananas. For today's recipe, we'll be using only the banana peel, so don't throw them away. I'll cut the banana peel into smaller pieces. Hello girls, don't skip ahead because the secret ingredient is coming up later. Banana peels contain beneficial plant compounds and antioxidants, which is why they've become a popular ingredient in many homemade hair care recipes. So girls, have you ever used banana peel in a beauty or hair care recipe before? Let me know in the comments. Now I'll transfer the banana slices into the bowl. Okay, so once all the chopping is done, I'm going to transfer all the ingredients into the chopper. Now let's bring everything together until well combined. As this blends together, let me remind you to drink water. Your daily habits affect your body more than any product ever will. Now I'm transferring the blended mixture to a saucepan. Next, I'm adding almost 150 ml olive oil. Olive oil is widely used in hair care for its moisturizing properties, and it also helps leave the hair feeling soft, smooth, and nourished. Now place it over low heat. Now Glow girls, don't skip the next part because we're about to add one of my most favorite hair care ingredient. After about 5 to 6 minutes, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Thanks to its beneficial plant compounds and antioxidants content, rosemary has become a favorite ingredient in DIY hair care recipes around the world. After adding, give everything a gentle stir and let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Because we don't want the rosemary to burn, only lightly fuse to the oil and develop a beautiful golden brown color. So girls, if you've made it this far, comment your country below so I know that you're watching with me. Okay, once it's done, turn off the heat. Now I'm carefully straining the oil into a beaker. We are only interested in the infused oil, so the solid ingredients are no longer needed. Take your time with this step and extract as much oil as possible. Now look at that beautiful infused hair oil. Now I'll transfer it into a clean container, or you can also use a hair oil bottle. And just like that, our homemade hair oil is ready. This oil can be stored in a cool, dry place and used as part of your regular hair care routine. For best results, apply it 3 times a week and gently massage it onto your scalp. Leave it on for 1 to 2 hours before washing your hair. Alright Glow girls, our homemade hair oil is finally ready. Thank you so much for helping our Glow Army reach 1,000 subscribers. Your love, support, likes, comments mean the world to us. If you enjoyed today's DIY, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Take care of yourself, stay consistent, bye bye.